Thomas Weather.
The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. On this Tuesday morning, a very muggy Tuesday morning, it's the 10th day of August, and summertime heat and humidity are the big story. We're talking about heat indices that'll be well into triple digits again today. We had a heat index of 106 yesterday in Montgomery with a high of 95. And in big heat like this, there can be big storms. There will be random storms, but some of them can really put on quite a show. And that'll be the case right on through the rest of the week, through Friday and into the weekend as well. Not only that, we have trouble in the tropics. That tropical system we've been tracking could have implications for the Southeastern United States as early as this weekend.
First up, let's talk about potential Tropical Cyclone 6, which has now entered the Caribbean after moving through the Leeward Islands earlier this morning. Not quite a depression yet, but a NOAA Hurricane Hunter aircraft will investigate this system this morning. It could become a tropical depression or maybe Tropical Storm Fred later on today. Then it's destined to move perhaps over the mountainous island of Hispaniola, which could weaken it a bit. And beyond day 4, the intensity is quite unknown. Maybe a tropical storm as it approaches the Florida Keys and the state of Florida, which is now under the cone, the entire state in the cone, and the eastern Gulf of Mexico. So we'll continue to watch this system over the next few days. Very interesting development here. Besides the tropical system, closer to home, our forecast is pretty routine. High pressure at the surface is located just north of Mobile. There will be spotty storms around today, but the heat bridge remains in place, so the extreme heat will continue with triple-digit heat indices every day this week. Here's a snapshot of the heat index by mid-afternoon today, and you can see we're very close to the 105 danger range, if not over. Like yesterday, we went over it. And then on future radar, you can see some spotty storms will be developing in the afternoon heat. Some could put on quite a show with lots of lightning and gusty winds in this kind of situation. There's a snapshot at 5 p.m. suggesting that some of the more concentrated activity may be in South Alabama. Scattered afternoon storms will be random and hit or miss. High in the middle 90s again. Heat index at least up to about 104. Low tonight 75. I think tomorrow there will be a generous supply of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon heating, and we'll go back to a scattered situation on Thursday. Each day will be in the middle 90s. Each day will have triple-digit heat indices, and that includes Friday and probably into the weekend. Then, as we get towards Saturday, you see that low on the map, just near the Florida Keys. That would be maybe Tropical Storm Fred. And then where is it going to go? Well, there it is Sunday afternoon on one of the models. This is the GFS near Tampa. Then does it move to the northern Gulf Coast? Well, apparently it may, according to this model, on Monday morning. So we'll be watching the future of this tropical system very carefully, of course. So we've got highs in the middle 90s every day. Look at that, right on through Sunday. Lows at night in the steamy middle 70s with random showers and thunderstorms around each day. Very little day-to-day change as far as the actual details of the weather. So very much a typical August forecast. By the way, potential Tropical Cyclone 6 is the only show in town. There's nothing else out there. But the Euro tropical depression probability indicates that there could be some more trouble in the rest of the tropical Atlantic later in the week. The Perseid meteor shower peaks on Wednesday and Thursday night if the clouds will cooperate, and that's a big question. You could see up to 100 per hour. Usually it's a lot less than that, but you have to look in the wee hours of the morning in just about anywhere in the sky, but especially in the northeast part of the sky for the Perseid meteor shower this week.
Okay, that's all I have for you this morning. Hope you have a great day today. Stay out of the heat as much as possible with those dangerous heat indices, and we'll continue to monitor the tropics very carefully. Everything's normal this morning, which means, and I say this every morning, right? Live on the radio, 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1. Live on CBS 8 and ABC 32 this morning. Watch us on TV. There'll be another video for you first thing tomorrow morning at 4:45 a.m. and your forecast whenever you wanted across the dial, hourly on 8 radio stations. That is the Blue Water family of stations. All right, have a good one. I'll see you later.